Ever think one single day could actually change history? Well, April 10th did, over and over again.
See, on this exact date, some brilliant people across the centuries totally changed how we think.
So let's meet them and see the incredible story they built, all on the same day.
Okay, let's kick things off with that awesome feeling you get from a really tough puzzle. Well, the answer goes back to a true master of brain teasers, born on, you guessed it, April 10th.
This guy was a legend. He made puzzles that completely changed how people saw math.
For him, puzzles weren't just for fun. Nope. They were the actual start of logical thinking.
We're sticking with April 10th, but now we're going to jump back in time to 1838. So here's a new question for you. How did anyone do serious math before computers? The answer comes from another April 10th genius, an inventor named Frank Baldwin. He created this mechanical calculator that was so good, big companies absolutely had to have it. His work was a huge first step toward the supercomputers we all carry in our pockets. Same date, totally different story. Now let's talk about someone who passed away on April 10th, 1813. Okay, think about this. How does a rocket navigate space, or GPS know where you are? Well, the groundwork for that was laid by a real giant of mathematics, Joseph Louis Lagrange. Lagrange was a master of celestial mechanics, the math that rules planets, stars, and satellites. He basically showed us the universe runs on math we can actually figure out and use. So many stories on one day, right? Okay, let's jump forward to a trailblazer who left us on April 10th, 1988. And for our last piece of the puzzle, let's talk about molecules, the building blocks of, well, everything. This story connects us to Dr. Hutton Numbers, a true pioneer in chemistry. Her research was all about understanding the 3D shape of molecules, which is absolutely crucial. It's a great reminder, the biggest discoveries can come from looking at the tiniest things. So we've got a puzzle master, an inventor, an astronomer, and a chemist, all from different times. So what's the connection? They all asked the same basic question. Where's the pattern in all this chaos? Their search for those patterns literally built our world. So you gotta wonder, what patterns are we missing today?